If you're staring at a material datasheet and wondering what elongation might mean, then stick around while we cover what material elongation is and what it has to do with adhesives. Material elongation, or also referred to as elongation at break, is the percentage increase in the material's length before it breaks. This is a key measure of the material's ductility and measures how much it can stretch or be manipulated when it's under stress. High ductility materials can deform significantly before fracturing, while low ductility materials are prone to breaking even at low amounts of stress. Elongation is commonly measured using the ASTM D412 test method, which evaluates the properties of elastomers and rubbers. This test measures how much the material can stretch before it reaches its point of failure. Elongation is directly related to the stretchability of flexible materials. Flexible materials with good elongation properties can allow it to be stretched during application, allowing for better coverage on irregular surfaces or in hard to reach areas. Elongation also helps flexible materials remain durable in extreme environments. For example, automotive adhesives from Strouse stretch to conform to vehicle contours, making them ideal for masking, part attachment, and surface protection in rough environments. While elongation measures how a material stretches under tensile forces, tensile strength measures the maximum amount of pulling stress that a material can absorb before breaking. When the stress exceeds the tensile strength, the material will fracture. But under low stresses, it will typically return to its normal shape. Testing tensile strength reveals the material's ductility and strength by measuring the amount of stress it can absorb before failure. This destructive test is generally measured in pounds per square inch, unlike elongation, which is expressed by a percentage. When choosing which material might be best for your application, it's good to understand the total picture of the physical properties, including elongation, tensile strength, and other material properties. We also recommend partnering with an experienced material converter like Strouse to ensure you're gonna get an optimized material selection and production process. If you're interested in learning more about flexible materials, feel free to check out our Learning Center, which has countless articles and videos on anything you could wanna know about flexible materials. Or you can reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.